An image of a bright white spider hangs upside down from an intricate web that fills the screen. Shades of orange, aqua, and purple blend dramatically in the background. On-screen text at the bottom reads, Wildlife Photographer of the Year, Young Grand Title Winner, Vidyun R Hebbar. A young boy wearing a backpack stands outdoors in front of an art installation comprised of black curved metallic bars filled with various circular golden gears. His speech is subtitled.
My category-winning image, the original web, was captured over here.
Two small tent spiders lie in an intricate white web as blurred traffic zooms past in the background.
A tent spider had built its web over here. There was a very busy road on this side. I had accompanied my father many times when he had captured insects with urban elements in the background. I also wanted to try something similar. So I wanted to try to capture this tent spider with moving vehicles in the background.
A view from behind the metallic structure as traffic whizzes past from right to left. Next, two still images of Vidyun behind the metallic structure with his camera.
My father was telling me whenever a vehicle was approaching. I captured a lot of images and a few of them came good with the tent spider in sharp focus and colorful vehicles in the background. I was 3 years old when I first started taking photos.
Footage of an even younger Vidyun shows him holding a camera in a room filled with long wooden tables. He turns and faces the lens of his camera directly towards the camera recording him.
My dad used to give me his old DSLR and it used to be fun for me to hold it and click some pictures. I still use the same DSLR now.
The winning photo reappears, a bright white spider hanging upside down from an intricate web that fills the screen. Shades of orange, aqua, and purple blend dramatically in the background. On the left-hand side, a narrow, semi-opaque black rectangle displays the credits. Video, Lee Quinn, Vidyun R Hebbar. Archive, Vidyun R Hebbar. Music, Audio Network. On the right-hand side, the Natural History Museum logo consisting of the words Natural History Museum, displayed in a column flanked by a large letter N on the left. On-screen text at the bottom reads, Wild Photographer of the Year. #WPY Insights.